Please register to support families like ours. Thanks to Pet Valu, Virtual Walk for Dog Guides, we have a lovely autism assistance dog named Titus who gives lots of love and attention to our son Nate.
Join the Pet Valu Virtual Walk for Dog Guides to support people like me.
Help provide dog guides like York to assist Canadians living with diabetes like me. Join the Pet Valu Virtual Walk for Dog Guides today.
Hudson is my handsome and loyal poodle who has become my sound advisor and owner of my heart. Please join us at the Pet Valu Virtual Walk for Dog Guides.
Join the walk today to assist someone like me to receive a dog guide like Rut.
To join the Pet Valu Virtual Walk for Dog Guides, go to www.walkfordogguides.com.